Hey YouTube, Dodge Hill with a quick video. Just going over why my Mac won't start. Here's the old VRAM battery, 3.6 volts. I installed the new one from Radio Shack, so it should run fine with that. The power supply is new. It's got 4 gigs of RAM in it. They're the 400 millihertz, but the power supply or the motherboard will downclock them. Third-party power cord and replaced power supply from a guy I bought on Craigslist. I bought the Mac from on Craigslist. The guy had said he replaced it previously. I have a second power supply in case that might be the problem. It has no hard drive, and when I plug it in with the third power supply connected to a DVI, connected to an older monitor, and I push power, this is what happens. A little bit of a whir, possibility of fans, but nothing. Nothing comes up on the screen or anything. So if you have an idea, please post it in the forums on apple.com. Thank you very much. So yeah, I'll do that one more time just to show you guys. And you get one of those like burning rubber type smells after I do that a couple times. So let me know. Okay, thanks. Bye.